Now let's talk about the ninth vulnerability, which is the most well-known and dangerous risk in LLMs, misinformation. OWASP says misinformation from LLMs pose a core vulnerability for applications relying on these models. It occurs when LLMs produce false or misleading information that appears credible. This can lead to security breaches, reputational damage, or legal liability. So what does that mean? It means large language models can generate answers that sound right but are actually wrong. And worse, they often say it with a lot of confidence. That's what makes this vulnerability so tricky. People tend to trust answers that it is providing, which are detailed and sound smart, even if they are completely made up, completely wrong. One main reason this happens is something called as hallucination. This is when the model tries to fill in missing information by making things up. It doesn't actually know the facts. Instead, it guesses them based on patterns it has seen before. That's why sometimes the answers sound convincing but are actually wrong. This usually starts with the data. If the model is trained or fine-tuned on inaccurate, biased, or incomplete information, it learns those flaws too. Sometimes, attackers intentionally inject this kind of bad data during training of the model or through prompt injection attacks. Once that flawed data is embedded, the model starts to produce hallucinations, where it gives responses that sound correct but are entirely fabricated. Let's walk through two real-world examples. In the first one, a man died by suicide after interacting with a chatbot that unintentionally encouraged dangerous behavior. The chatbot wasn't trying to cause harm. It just didn't recognize how serious the conversation was. That is the danger when there is no human oversight, especially in cases of mental health. In another case, a lawyer used ChatGPT to help write a legal argument. And the model, it made up fake court cases that did not even exist. The lawyer trusted it, presented it in the court, and faced major professional consequences. It became clear that no one had checked the AI's facts before bringing them to court. These are not just technical failures or technical glitches. They are emotional, legal, and ethical breakdowns that stem from placing too much trust in something that does not actually understand the world. So what can we do about it? We will dive into the prevention strategies to help protect against this vulnerability in the next video. But the key message here is, just because an LLM sounds right does not mean that it is right. And the higher the stakes, the more important it is to verify and validate the information before acting on it. So see you in the next video.